Welcome to our comparison video, where we will take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine offers a capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, making it suitable for larger loads, while the Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 10 liters, which is ideal for smaller, quick washes. If you have limited space, the compact design of the portable washing machine might be more appealing. But if you need to wash larger items, the Comfee is the better choice. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine comes equipped with 5 wash cycles, including heavy and rapid options, and features like auto unbalance detection for safety. In contrast, the portable washing machine offers 3 simple modes, making it easy to use but lacking advanced features. If you value versatility in your washing options, the Comfee stands out. When it comes to pricing, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is priced at $249, reflecting its larger capacity and features. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is much more budget-friendly at just $50. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for light laundry needs, the portable washing machine is a great option, while the Comfee is worth the investment for more extensive washing capabilities. In conclusion, both the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine have their unique strengths. The Comfee is perfect for those needing a larger capacity and more features, while the Portable Washing Machine is ideal for those who prioritize portability and affordability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.